Well, today is the return of our weather alert day in the forecast, first of two that we're going to see, and there are two big reasons why this is a significant rain event heading our way. We're going to break that down first. We're expecting this rainfall to really escalate late morning, early afternoon, especially heading into the lunch hour. At first, we're talking Lincoln, Benton, and Lynn counties, but eventually that is going to drift further south. Now we're starting to see that heavier rainfall into Lane County by early to mid-afternoon and slowly settling in even further south towards Coos and Douglas County by the time we get to the late night into tomorrow morning. This is still a good solid 24 hours of significant rain, and at times this could be rain rates up around 1/4 inch per hour. You extrapolate that out over the course of several hours, that's why we're talking record-setting rain totals before it's all said and done, and the risks that come along with it. Thankfully, most of this will start to dissipate by Friday, but still, we're going to be running the risks of all of those concerns that are still left behind. So let me give you an idea how much rain we could see. Again, at first, most of this going to be further north. Newport, about 1.5 inches by the lunch hour. However, we start to see these rain totals ramping up, going into the afternoon and drifting further south. Suddenly, we're talking around 2, possibly even 3 inches of rainfall by the time we get into this evening through tomorrow morning. Now, if that does follow through, in just a 24-hour time span, seeing 2 to 3 inches of rainfall, now we're talking risks from landslides, rock falls, flooding concerns as well. At first, we're talking urban flooding, the potential that we could see issues in small streams, creeks, but eventually that water has to run off. Now we're talking river flooding going from Friday morning, possibly all the way through Saturday morning. We'll start to see river levels rising further interior by tomorrow morning, but then we're looking at those river levels rising on the coast as we head into Friday night and Saturday morning. One more issue though that we're going to run into. Remember the windstorm Tuesday night and Wednesday morning? We got another round, 40-50 mile per hour gusts likely for us on the coast, starting up by the time we get into lunch hour and staying all the way through the afternoon and evening hours. A good chance for 20 to 30 mile per hour winds here in the valleys as well. Put it all together, we're likely going to see plenty of power outages, a risk of more of those down tree limbs, down power lines, issues on roads. Long story short, stay weather aware. Stick with us on air and online. We'll continue to bring you the very latest as the event unfolds.